शाळांनी मिड डे मील येवजणेखाला भुरग्यांक दिल्लें खाण सामकें वायट दर्जाचें आसता. ताका लागून ह्या येवजणेंत बदल करपाची गरज राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीन उक्तायल्या. ह्या येवजणेखाला दिल्लें खाण मनशान खावपाच्या लायकीचें ना अशें राष्ट्रवादीचो म्हणयारो ट्राजन डिमेलो म्हणटा. ही येवजण आप मजत गटांक उर्बा दिवपा खातीर आशिल्ली, पूण कितल्याशाच महिला मंडळांक अजूनय तांचे पयशे मेळूंक नात. ही माहिती ट्राजनान RTI वरवीं मेळयल्या.
Appeals to the government and in particular to the Chief Minister, who is the Education Minister, to review the implementation of midday meal schemes, which relates to our innocent children and to avert what could be an impending disaster. The hygienic now at the moment, many, I want to say all, have no kitchen. Every Mahila is preparing in her house. And the FDA, who is supposed to overlook and supervise, and other inspectors, this leaves room for corruption to these inspectors, whoever are inspecting the sites. You don't have one kitchen. You have to go to 6 places. If there are 6 Mahilas, all are preparing one item. This has to come to a standstill. One of the ways that can come to a standstill, we suggest, to pick up a school among that cluster and have a hygienic kitchen in one place. 5 lakhs every Mahila group has to be paid. In fact, this should have been a scheme where government gives advance to help them. Here it is the other way around. So you are pushing, making the whole thing a big jugglery and forcing people to go into illegal ways to earn their daily bread.
टिळक स्टेडियमाच्या ग्राउंडार सध्या काम सुरू आसा. हालींच ह्या ग्राउंडाच्या भोंवतणी फ्लड लायटी घाल्ल्यो आनी हेर साधन सुविधा सुदारिल्ल्यो. आतां ह्या ग्राउंडाचें तण आनी दर्जो सुदारपाचें काम सुरू जालां. फुडलो सीझन सुरू जाता म्हणल्यार हो टिळक ग्राउंड बेस बरो जातलो अशें GFAचो वांगडी सावियो मेसायस म्हणटा.
Now the government has relaying the turf. I understand they're doing a drainage system so that water does not get accumulated here during the rainy season. And they're also going to introduce sprinklers. Well, many years ago, around 15 years ago, when I was involved with this ground, we did introduce a sprinkler system, but it was never used. But now they plan to redo up the sprinkler system as well as lay a turf. And they expect the work should get over by August, mid-August. So for the coming season, we are very confident that we will have a very good ground, good facilities, and we'll be able to play matches even during the rainy season, I am told.
इतल्यान हें खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.